Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you two ways on how you can add logo to Wix website header. So the first one is you just have to go to your Wix website, and then right here you have to go and click on add elements. Okay, now just click on the image, and from here just have to scroll down and then click on the custom logo and then click on add logo. Okay, so right here, you'll be able to drag this one to your header and adjust it accordingly. After that, you just have to click on it and then click on the logo design. Right here, you can design my logo, so just click on it. And then here, you'd be able to describe what is your business all about. So the AI will be able to, give you an idea on how you can create your logo, what are the themes or the design that is appropriate or the perfect fit for your logo. So that's how you can do it. So now let's remove this one and proceed to our next method. So if you already have your logo design, all you have to do is to click on the add elements and then click on the image. Okay, and then right here, just have to scroll up and then click on the upload images. So now just click on the upload from computer, and then you'll be able to select the logo that you want to upload from your computer. So for example, I'm going to use this logo, so you just have to select it and then just click on add to page. And finally, you have successfully added your logo to this page. So you just have to resize it and then drag it to the header and then adjust the size accordingly. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.